Today, I'll be teaching you how to make ice cream at home with just 3 ingredients, so make sure you watch till the end. In a clean pot, add in 3 cups of clean water. I'll be using 3 big sachets of cowbell. You can use Dano milk, peak milk, or any brand of your choice. Then add in 3 tablespoons of corn flour and 3 tablespoons of sugar as well. Then mix everything together to incorporate very well. Now put it on the fire and just keep stirring on low heat till it gets very thick. Then turn off the heat and leave it for some minutes to cool down. Now you want to add 2 more cowbell sachets, then mix together and pour into a blender. If you don't have a blender, you can use a whisk to mix it very well till it's very smooth. Now we need 3 bowls because we'll be doing 3 flavors. So you can just do 1 flavor for yours. It depends on your choice. So you want to share it equally in the 3 bowls. I'm using strawberry for the first flavor. Just add a little and mix together very well. The second flavor is vanilla. Just add a little and mix together as well. And the third one is chocolate. Add a little bit of cocoa powder, then mix together, then cover everything and leave it in the freezer for up to 8 hours or leave it overnight. After 8 hours, this is what we have. This is the vanilla, this is the strawberry, and this is the chocolate. We are going to scoop one of each in a small bowl. Just look at how colorful that is, and it tastes so good. Very creamy and delicious. You can add it to a cone as well for your kids. They are going to love it. As an adult, I love waffle cone ice cream so much. I also added some sprinkles and it looks so beautiful. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys.